on the bus stop. Learn with First. Learn with First. First, first, first.
First, your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download First.
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. Is Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest.
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Oh! Oh! Hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. Look. Mommy made a yummy drink. Let's find out what it is. I'm thirsty. It's a white drink. It's a cold white drink. Wow! It gave me a white nose. Yummy. It tastes just like the white drink Mommy pours on my cereal. Oh, of course. It comes out of the carton. I've got it. The white drink is milk. You pull milk out of the carton, and you can have milk on your cereal or drink it out of a glass, just like me. Ah, I love milk. See you soon. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunny.